The hardest part is making a phone call to a customer and saying, my receivable report says you owe me $150,000. And then they come back and say, well, our payable report only shows $50,000. And if you remember, we cut that bill because you guys were overbilling for your subcontractor who hadn't hit the job yet. The job billing module in our legacy software wasn't very user-friendly. Nobody used it, they abandoned it, and everybody did job billing in Excel. So what we would have were nobody knowing what version of the Excel bill was the final bill, and invoices getting posted into the system with incorrect values, and then having to chase around adjustments later.
Wanted to align accounting and project management together, streamline our work flows, and take advantage of synergies that happen when the project manager can see the costs and the accountant can see all of the project manager's budgets and change orders and outstanding issues.
I think the project managers, they actually kind of drove the decision. They wanted to have real-time access to information where they didn't have to fill out a form, submit it to accounting, wait 3 or 4 days to get it back. The form that they would have filled out, they now do in Vista, and it's there. And it's interfacing with the other parts of their job. So if they enter a change order, they can see it in their job cost reports. They don't have to wait again, like I mentioned, for accounting to get around to it and post it.
We make less mistakes. The system tells us the truth. What that does is it allows our senior management team to see that information right away and get accurate information. It was a big kind of cultural change for Herrero. We had all our project management group, and every project manager did things their own way. So our executive team had to work with each of them individually to figure out what was going on their jobs. Now we can create single standardized reports that give us all the information, that give the executives all the information they need. It streamlines our monthly reporting. It streamlines improves the accuracy, gives us the information that we need one time in one way. One of the biggest benefits that we've seen in going to Vista is that we've taken these individualized processes, these disparate processes from our project managers, and we've consolidated everything and we've aligned everything into one Herrero process. And this aligns with our core values, and it has improved efficiencies in our company just from the standpoint that everyone is doing the same thing the same way all the time.
Having the integration is going to free people up so that we could actually grow the business. Where a project manager before could only handle 2 or 3 jobs, maybe now we can handle 4 or 5. We are pretty big cheerleaders for Viewpoint.